Hi, and welcome to the Forecast-IT and Recalc-IT e-learning video. The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of the main modules of the application you see on your screen right now. So let's get started. As you can see from the main menu bar at the top of your screen, there are several modules within the system. Today we're going to focus on Forecast-IT, the residual value forecasting system which uses Eurotax Glass's valuation and market intelligence to produce accurate future residual values. And Recalc-IT, the module which facilitates fleet portfolio re-evaluation. So let's start from the Forecast-IT module. This module allows the user to quickly access the live forecast values and investigate how the values have been created. Just reviewing the fully transparent step-by-step methodology used by the system, the user is only 3 steps away from the forecast values. Step 1, click on the new vehicle forecast. Step 2, select the desired vehicle going through the simple and intuitive tree selection. Step 3, look at the results in a configurable matrix. The values can be seen on the chart as well. To review a specific forecast value and drill down to a more detailed level, simply double-click on the age, mileage combination desired, and an intuitive page will bring all the answers to the user. The step-by-step calculation is as follows. The starting point is the value of the used vehicle today and the specific chosen age and mileage. To the base used car value, the system will then apply a series of adjustments based on the following elements. Firstly, inflation. This is a monthly or yearly estimate for the next 10 years. Second, the model life cycle, which is calculated based on the last 10 years of Eurotax Glass's used market values. Third, we have remarketing performance, called disposable performance here in the software. This is a specific adjustment provided by the user to reflect the ability to sell terminated vehicles. Fourth, we have residual values adjustment, a correction applied to all models or vehicle types according to the user knowledge of the automotive market, i.e. the global risk adjustment or the impact of a recall campaign for a specific model of a specific manufacturer. And finally, the reviewers adjustment, which is a more specific correction applied by the user during the regular residual values review process to each key vehicles. Every single element can be investigated at a more detailed level should the user wish to understand how these elements have been obtained. All of these elements come with the system and are based on Eurotax Glass's experience and historical valuations. However, the user has the ability to change any of these elements on various levels and can create different scenarios and apply personal knowledge and internal information to the final results, just setting up the residual value parameters. This page can be printed and shown at the Residual Value Committee or to the auditors as official documentation. Let's now move to the process of how the user would generate a full set of forecast values for the next period, normally 3 months. Once the system is set up and all the parameters are defined, inflation, life cycle, disposal performance, residual value adjustment, the process can be run by the system in approximately 15 minutes, saving time for the user who will not need to collect the required information and files to run the process himself. The user will be able to focus more effectively on the final results to fine-tune the values of the key vehicles, i.e. the master, and review the linked vehicles, i.e. the slave, in the same group as shown on the screen. The system will propose the vehicles grouped by user predefined criteria, make, model, version, body type and fuel type in this example, and a key vehicle identified and color-coded in red. However, the user can change the key vehicle with a simple click as shown here. The final set of forecast values can be stored in a residual value dataset and used for analysis and comparison with previous month's reviews or alternative data sources, i.e. Eurotax Glass's forecast values. On a monthly basis, the review can be completed only on brand new vehicles by ticking Process New Only, colour-coded in green as shown. The process will then be the same as shown previously. The last module we're now looking at is Recalc-IT. This module allows the user to re-evaluate their current fleet or evaluate another's fleet for the purpose of acquisition at any time. This essential tool is simple to use, allowing the import of the target fleet details directly from a spreadsheet or flat file as shown, and to calculate the final result within 1 hour, i.e. 200,000 vehicles in less than an hour and multiple scenarios in parallel. The user can review the re-evaluation at summary level in the stats on this page, or drill down into each individual vehicle. The system provides 3 valuations in one automated process. Firstly, today's value or value at a specific date. Second, the fleet value at the end of contract based on contract mileage to calculate the required provision. And finally, fleet value at the end of contract with projected end of contract mileage to have a real picture of the analysed vehicle. Thanks for watching this brief introduction to Forecast-IT and Recalc-IT. If you want any further information, please don't hesitate to contact us. Thanks for watching.